Wonderla Bengaluru launches Garuda Glide, Karnataka's first inverted roller coaster. With this launch, Wonderla Bengaluru becomes India's first amusement park to have two large roller coasters with inversions. Bengaluru, the 10th of April 2026, Wonderla Holidays Limited, India's largest amusement park chain, is proud to unveil Garuda Glide, an adrenaline-charged suspended looping coaster, SLC, and the newest landmark attraction at Wonderla Bengaluru. Manufactured by Vekoma, Netherlands, one of the world's most respected names in roller coaster engineering, Garuda Glide represents a bold new chapter in Wonderla's relentless pursuit of world-class entertainment. With this addition, Wonderla Bengaluru now stands as the only amusement park in India to offer two large roller coasters with inversions recoil in Garuda Glide, further strengthening its position as the country's leading thrill destination. The ride's installation and integration have been executed by Wonderla's in-house engineering team, ensuring precision, quality, and the highest global safety standards. To celebrate this milestone, Wonderla hosted an exclusive launch event at Wonderla Bengaluru featuring content creator Gagan Srinivas, popularly known as Dr. Bro Kannada, and Indian cricketer Shreyanka Patil in the presence of Arun K. Chittilapilli, Executive Chairman and MD, Dheeram Chaudhary, COO, Rudresh HS Park Head Bangalore, Wonderla Holidays Limited. Key highlights of Garuda Glide. 5 gravity-defying inversions. Riders experience a rollover, vertical loop, sidewinder, and double inline twist in a non-stop sequence designed for pure adrenaline with no breaks in the action. Suspended seating, the ultimate flying sensation. Riders sit below the track with legs dangling freely, creating an exhilarating sensation of flying through the air and intensifying every flip and turn. This suspended design heightens the sense of speed, elevation, and every inversion. High speed and soaring heights. Reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour while climbing to 31 meters high across 662 meters of precision-engineered steel track, a 130-second journey packed with non-stop excitement. European engineering excellence, built by renowned Dutch manufacturer Vekoma, with components sourced from Europe and assembled to strict European safety standards, ensuring world-class quality and reliability. High-capacity dual-train system. 2 trains run simultaneously, each carrying 14 riders, 7 rows times 2 seats, allowing approximately 252 guests to experience the excitement every hour for optimized guest flow. Multi-layered safety architecture, advanced PLC-based ride control systems, redundant braking mechanisms across every block section, alternate power supply for safe evacuation, and daily preventive maintenance checks ensure the highest international safety standards at every moment. Investment. 34 crore rupees investment reflects Wonderla's commitment to bringing world-class thrill experiences to India. Garuda Glide is not merely a new attraction, it is an adrenaline milestone. The SLC format is globally celebrated for delivering high-intensity experiences through compact layouts that seamlessly integrate multiple inversions and rapid directional changes. With a 130-second ride cycle engineered for relentless momentum, every second on Garuda Glide delivers a rush from start to finish. Commenting on the launch, Arun K. Chittilapilli, Executive Chairman and MD, Wonderla Holidays Limited said, Garuda Glide represents a defining moment in Wonderla Bengaluru's journey to deliver world-class experiences. As Karnataka's first inverted roller coaster, the suspended looping coaster marks a significant milestone, through which we aim to continue raising the bar in Indian entertainment. With Garuda Glide joining our existing thrill lineup, we are proud to be the first in the country to offer 2 large-scale
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today we have launched our latest attraction in Wonderla Bengaluru. It's called Garuda Glide. It's one of the India's largest inverted roller coasters and the first one in Karnataka. And it has 5 inversions and it's a 665 meter track length. So it's a large roller coaster, first of its kind, and we are very happy to bring this to Karnataka. And it's also a high thrill ride meant for people who like to have that adrenaline rush. The car goes at about 80 km speed, Also been designed by a company in Netherlands, and it is built to the highest safety standards. And already the ride has gone through about 2,000 cycles of testing, so we are very safe, and we are looking forward to everybody in Karnataka enjoying this ride.
ರೈಡು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ವಂಡರ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ರೈಡ್ನ ಅನ್ವೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ರೈಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗರುಡ ಗ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮೇ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ರೈಡ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಭಾಳ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಬಲ್ ಡೇನ ಕೊಂಡೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ನಮಗೆ 100% ಖಾತ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದವರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ CMD ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಈ ರೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎರಡನೇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು 2 ರೋಲರ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋಲರ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಡ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪಾರ್ಕು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 3-3.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮೇ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಈ ರೈಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ.